So this is big, and I'm gonna do a real quick camp update, real short video, show y'all what we did, what we all did this weekend. It was an all work weekend, but we did a lot of stuff. Let me show y'all. We worked on the bar a little bit. In fact, worked on the bar a lot. Did all kinds of stuff. What y'all think about that? Got a couple Daisy Red Riders. Bought some antique furniture. Buy antique furniture out here in Mississippi cheaper than you buy little particle board junk they sell in New Orleans right now. This is gonna be the wine bar. Well, we even got us a sign for it. Caution, women whining. Oh, did I? Jesus God. But found that old glass. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you shall see. Y'all have a great day. I appreciate you watching. If you made it this far, you a trooper. Thanks a lot. Peace out.